Go! I gotta be very sneaky. I gotta be very sneaky. I gotta be very sneaky. I swear, if I get spotted by Pebble, it's game over.
Yeah, because you can't break his ankle, definitely.
Due to, but I'm playing like a kind of high stamina character, so if I do it correct.
When did you get more stamina?
Oh, I forgot what it was called. I forgot. Oh, well rested. I can't remember. What was that? Nope. I gotta go. No, it was me.
He might be good.
Darn it. Oh, thank God I lost track. Thank God he lost track of me.
That fast?
Yeah, bro. I had like as soon as he noticed me, I went to hide mode, bro. I really said, huh, boom. I really had said, like, shoot.
Rabies.
Rabies. Go away, rabies. Shoot, coming. Shoot. Oh. Oh, shoot, I need to hide. Okay, the doggo lost me. Oh, mine's still okay. Okay, I'm about to finish this one. Yes, go! Who knows me? Oh, Toodles, just rabies. Well, how are we not cooked? Go. Same. We not cooked. How are we? What happened to Marcus?
Damn! Bro!
Oh.
Oh my God, my teammate sucks, bro.
Okay, bro. I'm running. Run. Just run.